Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author. Welcome to my craft room. So today we're going to be making some really cool Christmas trees for decoration for our tables or just around the house. And I'm going to show you what they look like, and they're really simple to make, just like this. This is one that my mom made for me last year, and I absolutely love it because it looks beautiful on my dining room table, on our present table runner. So it looks really neat there. Bless you, Sophie. My dog sneezed. Today, actually, my mom is also here in the craft room with me, and she's a little camera shy, so she may say hi, but we're not going to see too much of her. But I will certainly show you her Christmas tree when she is finished, because she is making something a little bit different than what I will be making. So today what we're going to need is a glue gun. We are going to need some foam. It's just a foam tree. You can pick these up at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, or even Michael's. You are going to need a couple of these holiday Christmas ornament bulbs. These are the smaller ones. I have them in several colors, and I also have some of these little white ones. So if I have any left over, I will use this. But my mom just informed me that it's going to take probably 3 of these to do one of those big ones. So we're gonna see. I say maybe 1.5. But I haven't made one yet. So you're gonna need a glue gun. You're gonna need maybe some wire cutters if you have any type of wire flower things or twigs or anything that you're gonna put on your tree. We're gonna need a tree topper. And the only thing that I'm using is an ornament that I purchased at Joann's. Bought these last year, but they still have them. And I'm just gonna stick it in the top, and that is it. Oh, and of course bells, because you know I like everything to jingle, right? It's like glitter. That's it. We're gonna get started and let's do it. Okie dokie, we're gonna get started here. So I've got my styrofoam unwrapped now, and I also have my little bulbs out. I think I'm going to start in the center. So I'm going to go ahead and pull a white one out. And I'm going to take this little guy right here, this little pokey edge, and I am just going to shove it in there like so. And now I'm going to take some hot glue, and I'm just going to glue right into that hole that I just created. And I'm going to glue that in there. Mother glue gun just about fell down. I don't know if I want to do my whole tree like that, though. That might look kind of weird. All right. Okay. All right, so that works out fine for that, but I'm just going to glue here, and I'm just going to start gluing these on, and I'm going to glue them kind of like so together. I'm not going to glue it straight in. We're just going to glue this the way that it's going to fit best on here. And I'm just starting in the center. You can start wherever you want to. This is really fun and easy to do. And it turns out really neat. Got to hold them on there, though. You don't want them to fall off. Why does my glue not want to? Maybe I'm moving it around too much. Okay. Maybe I'm not putting enough glue down. Oh, it's my favorite one. It's all glittery. Who doesn't love glitter? Glitter's like the best. This one's really pretty too. Look at that. I really, really, really like the blue and the silver. I never used to, but I have really started to like those colors for Christmas. Reminds me of snow, I think. Not that I love the snow, but okay, so you get the hang of this. You're just going to go and you're just going to start gluing these little bulbs on here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to continue to put them on here. And then I will come back when I have a little bit more finished and show you some of the progress that I'm making. And because I don't think you want to sit here and watch me hold all these little balls down.
Started now.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. This is my mom. This is Linda. She's our special guest today, and she is going to show us what she's doing. Now, she's a little nervous on camera, so we're not going to focus on the camera.
Thank you.
Okay. So she has one of these green styrofoam trees that, like what I started with the ornaments, only she is using branches. You want to show us what kind of branches you're using?
They're kind of like a Christmas tree branch.
Mm-hmm.
And I've bent the wire, snipped it, and just plugged it into the foam.
Awesome.
Which I'm going to gun glue now.
Okay.
And so it'll hold it tighter.
Okay, cool. She's just putting that glue in that hole, and then...
I don't think it's warm yet.
It may not be warm. You can use this one. Use the bigger one. I just plugged in her glue gun, so we're just waiting for that to heat up.
And just shoot some glue into the hole.
Perfect.
And
then it
put it back in.
All right.
To keep it stable.
Okay. Awesome. And so you've done this all the way around the bottom area, correct?
Well, I just started the gluing, but yeah, because I wanted to.
Okay, and then
get
you're gonna
branches.
and then you're gonna put it up at the top here.
And then also just kind of build it up, glue the gun or
glue this,
poke the hole in, and glue that one as well, and the branches.
Okay, that looks really cool. All right, so she's going to go ahead and finish gluing all of that in there, and then she is going to decorate this, right?
Right.
All right, so we'll come back and show you the progress on hers when we are there. So all the branches have been glued in. We've put some of these little candies that are hanging down onto the tree as ornaments. We've got the star up top, and now we are going to go ahead and, why am I saying we? She, my mom, is going to start putting some decorations on this tree, and they are super cute. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to come over here, and I'm going to show you the progress that I'm making on mine. So when you're doing this, you want to be very, very mindful of what you're doing. So it's easier to just take it and kind of slide it in between, and then put glue here and on each side of these bulbs, and then glue it in. I had a little bit of trouble at the beginning because I was trying to do too many and stick them all in there as a cluster, and it's just easier if you slide them in there. So that's just one little tip that I will give you. And I'm going to go on and continue finishing up what I'm doing, and then we'll do another check-in, and you'll see what's our progress then. So what are you doing now, Mom?
I'm putting the ornaments on the tree.
That looks really, really cute.
Thank you.
Super cute. Oh my gosh.
Thanks.
You got your little star at the top.
I do.
This is cute.
Where do you think? Right here?
Sure. Right there.
I'm going to nestle it right in there.
Okay.
Because pine cones
and
do
this
that.
one, and it's hard to put it on there because that material on there it melts, right?
Yeah, it kind of melts, and then it adheres to the glue, but it takes a little bit.
Well, that's looking pretty good.
Thanks.
So if anybody wanted to do this, they would just need to remember that those
that the branches are a little bit,
they melt
when the heat touches it, and then they And you see, well, you can't see it probably, but you see how it flips up a little bit and shrivels. And,
Yeah, it does. It melts it just a tad.
yeah, but then it's fine.
Okay.
And it sticks to it and it's fine.
Cool. Very
And
neat.
there you have it.
Looking good. I can't wait to see the
Thank
finished
you.
product.
Well, I'm almost done.
That's cool. Here's mine. I'm getting closer to the bottom. And, yeah, I'm using a lot of glue. And I am almost here, so I'm getting kind of excited. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on and show you how I'm placing this on. And I'll probably fast forward and then... All right, guys, so that is it. That's it for us. We finally finished this. And I'm going to tell you that this little Christmas tree that I did took a heck of a lot longer than I thought it would. It was fun to make, but it took a lot longer. And it did take actually 3 of those little things to make it. So my mom was right. It just didn't. Yeah. It just didn't seem like it was going to take that many to me, but it did. But anyway, it's done. And I will show you mine first because my mom's turned out way cuter than mine did. So there's mine. I put the bells at the top because we all know how I like the jingle. It's like sparkle, right? I also have bells along the bottom here. So when you jingle, you can hear my tree. And then I put pine cones on it that have little bells too. So that's mine. And then my mom's turned out absolutely adorable. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And look, she put some of those little red ornaments on there. She used pipe cleaners, red ones that have a little glitter in them. We got pine cones on here. She cut up some of those little gold leaves and stuff. I mean, this turned out so stinking cute. Really, I love it. Absolutely adorable. So, which one is your favorite? Tell us down below in the description box. You already know that my mom's is my favorite. But I'm curious, which one do you like best? And if you do make one of these, don't forget to join my private Facebook group, and you could post your pictures in there. I always love to see the projects that you're making. So that's it for today. If you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like, and you can share it all over the place. Sharing is caring. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell and you'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And keep on crafting. That's it for me today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.